Thomas in Aramaic language means twin. Thomas was an illiterate fisherman from Galilee. And yet Jesus chose him to be one of his 12 apostles. We know very little about Thomas. In the Gospels of Matthew, Mark, and Luke, only his name is mentioned. But a little more about him we read in the Gospel of John. For example, he told Jesus, "Lord, where are you going? Show us the way." And today's Gospel we heard on the resurrection day, Sunday, apostles were there, but Thomas was not there. Jesus appeared to them. And the apostles reported this matter to Thomas, but Thomas was not ready to believe. Why? Because nobody heard earlier that those who are dead will come back to life. So for Thomas, it was natural. How is it possible? Jesus is dead and gone. How will he come back to life? So he said, "Unless I see him, I put my finger on his hand's wounds and I place my hand in his chest, I will not believe." So after 8 days, Jesus comes once again and calls Thomas and invites him to put his finger and his hand. But what is the response of Thomas? "My Lord and my God." He totally believed. There was no need for him now physically to touch Jesus.